Welcome back, campers. Riley Johnson here from Riverwood RV. And today I'm going to be showing you the Camp365. It's about 10 degrees out, and we're going to be showing you how it holds up in the North Dakota weather. Let's get into the video.
With all aluminum construction and a steel reinforced frame weighing in only 1,490 pounds, the Camp365 can be towed with just about anything.
Starting on the outside of the unit, I want to start at the front, or as some people would call it, the back. Got your 30 amp plug in here, your solar charge controller. Up in the front, got your tankless on-demand hot water heater. These controls here just for hotter water, more pressure. Your city water and fresh water connection is going to be down here, guys. That's going to be 12 gallons of water, gray and fresh. Above here, you got your spot for your sink or your stove, so you can cook those nice summer meals. Up at the hitch of the Camp365, you got your 7-pin wire harness so you can keep your battery charge going down the road. Your propane tank. Inside here, got your 11,500 BTU Truma furnace. We got that fired up on the inside, guys, to see if the Camp365 can hold up. Now a quick weather check presented by Riverwood. Sorry, I had to say it, I couldn't. Here's a quick little weather check of what we're dealing with at the moment. Now, let's go take a look on the inside. Stepping into the Camp365 now that we have it fully popped up, let's take a look at a couple of key features. On the door here, they got the light switch to control the dimming throughout the whole cabin. Down below here is your hidden basement storage for all your camping goodies. In this compartment, got your wastewater tank sitting right next to your fresh water. And then right in this little compartment, this is where they were nice enough to give us a sink. Don't mind us, this is our demo, guys, that we like to take out on the weekends to go camping. So it is a little bit dirty. We need to get our cleaning lady in here. Down below the sink, because a lot of people ask, Riley, where is the toilet? And actually it is right in here. Gonna be real nice for the cabin, guys. And then right here where you control your furnace, and you got some USB plugins to charge all your technological gear. And then where I'm standing at, guys, is where you'd put your bunk beds. You got one on each side. And then you also got your windows here that you can zip up. And what this material is called is Aqualine. So it's a material that's not gonna rip, rot, stretch, or get mildew, guys. It's gonna be very resistant. It's a non-organic material. Very nice. And it's a 2-layer, both on the inside and outside. You can kind of take a look, see? So you get that double layer of protection. Plenty of light from outside to enjoy your nice outdoor camping space. Now, guys, for the moment of truth. Can the Camp365 hold up to North Dakota weather? As you can see, we are currently at 17 degrees here. About a half hour ago, we kicked on the furnace and we are now at, I believe, 80 degrees now, guys. Perfect temperature for this type of weather.
There you have it, campers, the Camp365. On sale now at Riverwood RVs. Visit us online at riverwoodrvs.com. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Riley Johnson. Thanks for watching.